You have some animators animating clamped while blocking instead of auto or spline. It's really preference. I know some animators who prefer to animate in flat tangents. It's whatever you're used to. I personally like auto tangents. It's whatever you feel good and comfortable with. There's no... You could argue that one is better than the other, but really, as long as... Oh, what does clamp do? It's just a different way for the curves to change. So let's just use a cube here. So let's actually just animate this. Oops. It helps if I actually change the time. So we'll do something like this, and then like that, and then move it again here. So we've got this little bit of motion here. So if we look at our tangents, auto tangents, the thing it basically does is it makes sure that if curves are flat at any point, it keeps them flat. So right here, you'll notice that that stays flat. Start and end, those are flat as well, because if you actually look at infinity curves, you'll see that the curve continues before and after the animation. So technically it's flat. So anytime there's flat motion, the curve stays flat. If it's actually moving, it'll create a nice smooth spline. Spline curves, it's all curve. There's no flatness here. So this pause right there doesn't stop now, which is one thing I'm not a fan of with splines. Is if you're dealing with feet contacts, it causes them to wiggle around a lot, which is a pain. So you get that. Now clamped, which is right here. Where are you? Yeah, right there. It's similar to auto tangents. So you'll notice that as this flattens out, it keeps it flat. So it's like a precursor to auto tangents. It's just a little stupider. Auto tangents is a smart tangent, which basically means that it works in increments. So for example, if I move this, you'll notice it goes like slightly bent, and then you can see that tangent move right there. How it adjusts itself so that there's never any overshoot. It's trying to calculate that all the time. With clamped, it's just going to snap. So it goes there, and then flat, and then overshoot. There's no smartness to these. It snaps whether it's in spline mode or whether it's in flat mode. That's pretty much it. So you could kind of see it as a simpler auto tangents. So personally, if I was doing a lot of foot contacts, clamped would actually be pretty good versus spline.